Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to use your EBT on DoorDash or your SNAP benefits. And the first thing you're going to do is open the app and go to your accounts. And then go ahead down on the page. There's going to be payments. Click on payment. And then towards the bottom there's SNAP or EBT card. Click that. And here you're going to enter your information. I don't have a SNAP or EBT card to enter, so I'm just going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this would be where you add it, and it'll save as a form of payment. Now, it is important to know that right now it is only available for use at Safeway stores in California, but they are working on expanding to more locations. And what you can buy is going to be essentially the same USDA approved items that you can normally buy. And that's how you use your EBT card for DoorDash.com. Please like and subscribe to this video. And as always, if you have questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much.